Welcome back to a new video with Brushos. This time I used them on tissue paper. I wet the tissue paper and add brushes to it. This needs a bit time to dry, so I have already prepared one. And now I take the several layers apart and pick one to adhere it to the tag. I use gel medium to glue it down, but you can use any kind of collage pouch. After it is dry, I cut off the edges and add a little bit of shimmer with the Colorcraft Aztec Lustre paints. For more glamour, I used the brand new Brushos Sprinkle It. I also add some white color splatters. I cut a heart balloon from Stamplorations from watercolor paper and color it with Brushos. I decided to distress the edges with black soot. I will also add the black soot ink to the whole tag. Here is my finished tag. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!